Norok tinini yok pungzarabo media friends rokno ang hambayro. Norok saimano TSF asepro nisimi 1968 nisimi puilani president Sukumoy Deborma tai general secretary Jamatia borong ni leadership nisimi chengi phaye tabuk sakjora borong ni nahar mungno tuino jekunu jagabo chini borok ni kaham samuni bagai a jaga TSF pasai phaikya TSF kunu kaisa political party ni organization ya biaba chini own aim and ideology tongo je jaga chini borok ni kaham kai a jaga ono TSF tongo tai kunu jaga uslomani gori जों साइमन का थांनाय continuous 25 years leftist ni rule of haino TSF asuk hard sibo bo TSF tongoi tongo fiaba जों tabuk bo TSF tongo जों ulo bo tongnai जों tini hai jorao hongkai जों belai no hambai sini maharaja sini Tipra do phano sini Tripura no lead khai जोंनो kaisa kaham dishawo kaisa kaham lamo जोंनो tlangai thangai tongmani bagai abagai bobagrana hambai marwo bini leadership molbrum no tongthong o Grater TIPRALAND ni jobao TSF hain hai maharaj bai tongnai Tipra motha bai tongnai tai Grater TIPRALAND ni bagai जों physically mentally morally je mansa जों Tipra motha bai जों samung thangai thangnai jini Grater TIPRALAND ni bagai
North Kaisa student organization se kogo gai tabuk North ni support borno hning pana borle de Tipra Mothani student organization North da nai na ki onno khai amti ke ko sa
ang norok no mono saka TSF ni naharmu borok do phani sini borok indigenous Mothani thansa no kare aro kunu kure maharaj ni kaham nahar mungo bini Grater TIPRALAND ni thansa ni maribo जों tabuk maharaj ni ringma bai जों tabuk maharaj no fully जों support khlaina
Okay, we can start. So today, we on behalf of TSF, we are joined by our TSF Central Committee President, Mr. Bishing, our advisor chairman, Upendra, and our advisor, Bishing, and our advisor, TSF, Sunil Debarma, former General Secretary, and our Central Committee members. Well, as we do, before the election, we have supported the Tipra Motha during the elections, and we have been working with Maharaj over 15 years back. We work together, our senior leaders work together for the betterment of the indigenous community. Today we have accepted the Grater TIPRALAND and for the course for the indigenous community. We are ready to work in any kinds of work, in movement. So we have accepted and will support the Tipra Motha and Maharaja. So at this juncture now, I would like to give our time to our advisor to brief the media.
Good morning, media friends of Agartala. Well, as you know, the General Secretary of TSF have highlighted our issue of being here together with you. Now, as you all know, TSF first was created in the year 1968. So since then, the first leader, Sukumoy Deborma and Nagendra Jamatia, the TSF have been doing a lot and is still doing for the welfare of the indigenous people, especially the tribal people as a whole. Now, since then, their aim and objectives have been partly fulfilled, and the TSF, the organization, have always been looking for the welfare of the indigenous people. Now, on that case, TSF Now, in the past days, TSF's aim and ideology was to look for the betterment of the indigenous people, and TSF also in its own constitution says that TSF can support or withdraw their support to any political party, may it be regional, may it be national, but on the interests of the indigenous people. Now here, even in our earlier days, our seniors, they have been working with the indigenous political, regional political party, and now this time also, since the last election and even when Bubagra was in the Congress, we have worked with Maharaja for a very long time, and in fact, today we would be happy to declare once again officially that we will be, the TSF will be on a move for the fight of the Greater TIPRALAND movement, and we shall be supporting Bubagra and the indigenous cause in the state and as well as outside the state. Supplement, Grater?